Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay guys, come back again with me. This is Mr. Elduardo here. So we got a mathematics lesson. Today we're gonna learn about dissimilar fraction. Before we start the materials, let me check your attendance please. Is there anyone absent? Okay, that's good. Okay, before we start, let's pray together. Kafila, can you with our class pray?
Before we start the class, let's pray first. Pray start. Now.
Okay, nice. So our objective here is first, at the end of the lesson, the students should be able to add dissimilar fraction accurately. Second, enumerate the steps in adding dissimilar fractions. The third is solve word problems involving the addition of dissimilar fraction. Okay, is there anyone here know what is fractions? Before we already have this is a half. This is what's called a fraction. The normal number is only like 1, 2, but fraction is like this. 1 is as a numerator, 2 is a denominator. Okay, let me see your power inside of yours. Before we start, let's sing together. So I'll give you some example. We're gonna sing it together. The example is, if you like mathematics, let's clap your hands. If you like mathematics, let's clap your hands. If you like mathematics and you want to learn about it, if you like mathematics, let's clap your hands. Okay, do you remember? Okay, let's stand up, please. Okay, in count of 3, we're gonna sing together. 1, 2, 3. If you like mathematics, let's clap your hands. If you like mathematics, let's clap your hands. If you like mathematics and you want to learn about it, if you like mathematics, let's clap your hands. Okay, let me see your more power. Let's try again one more time. 1, 2, 3.
If
You like mathematics, let's clap your hands.
If
You like mathematics, let's clap your hands. If you like mathematics and you want to learn about it, if you like mathematics, let's clap your hands. Okay, good. Let's give a applause to them. Okay, so here, dissimilar fraction. Let's start for the definition first. Dissimilar fraction, also known as a fraction with unlike denominators. The denominators is in above or bottom.
Above.
Denominators is in bottom. Okay, above is the numerators. It's a fraction where the denominators are not the same. So this is the example of the fraction is 1/3 and 2/5. The denominator is not same, right? There's a 3 and 5. Okay. When performing operations such as addition and subtraction with dissimilar fraction, they need to be converted to equivalent fraction with a common denominator. How to make this same is to make a least common multiple. For this example, least common multiple of 3 and 5 is 15. Yes, nice. That's correct. Okay, let's start. Let's start our discussion about this question. There are 3 boxes belonging to Tommy, and he wants to move them to another room. The weight of the first box is 5/2 kilograms. The weight of the second box is 4/3 kilograms, and the weight of the third box is 4/6 kilograms. What is the total weight of Tommy belongings? Okay, the first step is we write down the information that we know on this question. The information that we know is the first box. How much the weight? The first box? 5 over 2 kgs. Okay. The second box, 4 over 3 kgs. The third box, 4 over 6 kgs. Okay. After we break down the information that we know from the question is the steps. The solution. First solution is 1. Equate the denominators. How to equate the denominator is like what we do before. Least common multiple. Least common multiple of 2, 3, and 6. Okay. 2, 3, and 6. What is the least common multiple of this number? 6. Okay, nice. After we write down the least common multiple of this number is 6, now we turn them into another fraction, like 5 over 2. Okay. 5 over 2, we make the denominator become 6. 2 times what? That equals to 6. 3. Okay. Nice. So if we times 3 at the denominators, the numerators is also times 3. 5 times 3. 5 times 3. 15. Okay, 15. Nice. Now the second box. 4 over 3. 3 times what? That equals to 6. 2. Okay. 2. The numerators is also times. The result? 8. Okay. Now the third box. The third box denominator is 4 over 6. So we didn't have to change it. Because the denominator is 6. Let me change my speakers. Now we have 15 over 6, 8 over 6, and 4 over 6. Now our second steps is adding the numerators. How to adding the numerators is just like normal addition. 15 over 6 plus 8 over 6 plus 4 over 6. 15 plus 8, 23. 23 plus 4, 27 over 6. We can reduce the value of this one. We can divide it by 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 6 divided by 3? 2. Okay. From this example, the weight of the box, the total that Tommy has is 9 over 2 kgs. Now we move to the exercise. I have a worksheet. You can do it now. You can discuss with your friends. Okay. Okay, I want to see your potential here to make an exercise and practice of this dissimilar fraction. So you can do your task and you will be present in front of the classroom. Is there any question? Let me know. Is there any question? It only have to do 2 steps. It's so simple. Okay, come on, you can do it. Okay, class, are you done already?
Yes.
Okay, someone go to the front and write down your answer and present your answer. Okay, start from
Okay, number 1 sure.
Yeah, number 1 first.
Okay, sure.
Number 2, one. Number 2. Okay, you can go to the class. Okay, you done? Can you explain number 1?
Okay, my friends, so here number 1, I have 1 over 2 plus 3 over 8 equals. Okay, from the start, when we follow from sure Elduardo steps, we can start from this common multiple of 2 and 6. It is 8.
2 and 8.
2 and 8, it is 8. And then we can change for the first fraction 1 over 2 to be 4 over 8. And then for the second, 3 over 8 is 3 over 8. And from the result, we can add in the fraction 1 over 2 plus 3 over 8 is 4 over 8 plus 3 over 8. So the result is 7 over 8. Is it
Okay,
correct,
thank
sir?
you. Yeah, that's correct. Give applause. Is there any question on number 1? Is everyone correct? Number 2, okay. Can you explain number 2 a little bit? How to? Okay.
So it is 2 over 4 plus 2 over 3, and the least common multiple of 4 and 3 is 12, and 2 over 4 and 6 over 12 and 2 over 3 and 8 over 12. So that's 2 over 4 plus 2 over 3 and equals and 6 over 12 plus 8 over 12 equals 14 over 12.
Okay, that's correct. Is there any question of number 2? Okay, give applause. Is there anyone want to answer the last question? Okay, you can go from the class. Can you explain your answer, please?
So the question is 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3. So the solve the problem is we find the LCM of 2 and 3. So the LCM is 6. So the 1 over 2 is 3 over 6, and 2 over 3 is 4 over 6. So the result is 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3 is 3 over 6 plus 5, 4 over 6. So the result is 7 over 6.
Okay, is anyone any questions? Okay, give applause. Thank you. Okay, class. How many of you guys that has a correct answer of all the questions? Can you raise your hand? All correct answer, all correct answer, all correct answer. Oh my god, all correct answer. Nice. Give applause for you guys. Okay. So our conclusion today is how to do we add the dissimilar fraction? The first step is to find the common multiple of the denominator or numerator. Denominator. Okay. The second step is adding the fraction. Okay. Now I have some tasks here, so you can do it on your home or school. You can write down on your books first, or you can take a photo of this task. So the direction is add the following dissimilar fraction and draw a circle shape and shape them to show the following fraction. So the meaning of this one is you draw the circle. Okay. If I have 1/4, so you can make a line on the circle like this. So this is 4 part, as many as the denominator, and the numerator is only 1. So you shape only one side. Okay, do you understand? Okay. So your task is you add this dissimilar fraction and draw a circular shape and shape them to make your answer like this. Okay. Is there any question about the task today?
No.
Okay. Or is there any question about dissimilar fraction? Not yet. Okay. We can end our class with pray. Okay, Kafila, with the class.
Before we close the class, let's pray.
Okay, thank you for today. I hope you can do your task easily. See you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.